The Ukrainian drone army keeps on helping to clean the battlefield of Russian ammunition and supplies. As Russia leaves ammunition out in the open, the Ukrainian drone army can fairly easily reduce these to fireworks and a crater, dropping some cheap grenades with 3D printed tail fins to reduce Russia's resources, sometimes taking out a little at a time and sometimes a bit more. As this anti-tank mine pile got targeted, hitting just next to the pile, correcting the aim for a perfect hit, leading to a large explosion, leaving left a crater instead of anti-tank mines, taking out more of Russia's resources, leaving a little less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.